Hello everyone, Will Hassel here once again. This time I am not going in doing any type of review or setups. I am strictly going over a position that I closed out today, so I am now officially 5 longs at the end of today's trading at November the 21st, and that is my long that I had in Fannie Mae. I had it for, just bring the calendar here, almost 3 months. I was in September 9th is when I really started the position and got out today. Reasons why I got out: the downtrend. I couldn't take the pain anymore, so I decided to get out. It was just the best thing for me. Wanted to keep profits. I had a select amount that I had in mind for me to not lose. So I went and basically did that, as we see here, topped out here, and the downtrend line has just been escalating really, and it's breached through levels of support and resistance. That $8 line, I just didn't want to deal with it anymore. It was starting to get way too volatile for the type of portfolio that I wanted right now, the type of positions I want right now, which is a little bit low volatility, that I don't have to manage as much because I am in school. So I wanted to take the profits that I had, which were about $200-ish. And basically what I have here is what I want to explain, because earlier today when I tweeted my performance, like I do every day, I said, okay, I'm going to have a weird day because I will show you on my Scottrade account page, because I am totally transparent. I will let you guys see that I do have $4,000, just a little bit above $4,000 in the account. Today I was up 1.8%, as we can see here, or $47.74. But if we look on my account balance over the week, we noticed that yesterday I had an account at the end of trading at $4,014. If you noticed, for $4,011 I now have. So obviously I've lost just about a little bit over $3 today. Yet despite I had this great up day in my portfolio. And if you notice, I've been having a really bad time lately, mainly because of Fannie Mae. My all-time top over here was, if I get over 1 month, $4,100, and now I'm just above $4,000. My year-end goal is to have the account above $4,000. Probably late December, I'm going to deposit $100 or something like that out of my savings account into my account, and I will tweet when that happens. But more to the point, I had a $3 down day, despite Scottrade saying I had a 1.8% up day. It's really weird how Scottrade goes and does it when you've traded out of positions, so that's why I really had to go and bring up a video to explain exactly what happened. It was something like, if I remember right, $36 in losses at one point in time, and then I had this. So, and with the $14 I had to pay in commission to go and sell both of them, to only have a $3 down day when the stock itself was, let's go on to the chart, to this right here, when the stock was down, $4 and 4.79%, or what the levels I currently had, it would have been, down $40. Now you may go and say, oh, but you were up 47, and you would have had you would have actually profited. The downtrend on Fannie Mae, it's terrible. I don't want to be caught up in it anymore. I feel like I'm spending almost all my time on that one stock. So as we see here at 10:41 a.m., I am sorry, normally I do live tweet my ins and outs of a certain stock, but I probably didn't because I was time pressed at that time, because once again I am a full-time student, So right here, 816 is the first time I got out. It was down quite a bit off of its close of yesterday of 836. So saw 20 cents down. I decided, you know what, we're unloading. We've got profits. Let's take this out. So I cut that. Then I immediately put in. Well, originally I had it at $8, but the type of order I did. As we see here, commission $8, execution price $8.16. I'm highlighting this one, and then I thought, okay, I'll sell the half, later. We'll just hold it just to see what it does. I've taken a lot of profits off the board, exactly $400 in profits, or $400 just off the board. It's about more than half my profits, just about. And then I went, okay, we'll wait. And then by the time I next saw, which it was then at $7.80. So right about, let's look at the execution time. So it was right about here. So just before the lows of the day, I sold it at the end of the lows of the day. At that point in time, I just didn't care. I thought it was going to go lower. I've seen this happen before, where it just keeps going down, 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 down. And I just decided, you know what, I don't want to deal with this anymore. I'm out of it. I'll take the profits that I have and I'll run. And that's one of the things that I thought I did really well, because I stayed disciplined. I went, you know what, because in mind, when I saw this downtrend happening, I went, if it gets below $8, I don't want it to go below $8. So I took some profits just above $8 and just below. I wish I could have gone back to $8 if I had the balls to stay in. I would have, but unfortunately, that's just how trading is. It closed just above its 50-day moving average, had a little bit of a rally back. It's just in a weird spin right now, where good day for the markets equals bad day for Fannie Mae. I don't care anymore, really. I mean, I'm at $1,300 in cash, so I'm going to be going and looking for what some new stocks to go and enter. Probably will add to my AIG position, which you see right here. I'm down 3%, almost 4%. Average cost is $7.79. I'm probably, if we have another down day or something like that here pretty closely, I'll add to that. Maybe I don't know, maybe not another 10 shares, maybe 5 shares or something like that. I know it's small size to most of you people out there that trade with very large accounts, but I only have $4,000. So I have to trade to the best of my abilities with that amount of money. Now I am taking some off the table because I'm kind of unsure of what's going to happen here, Fed and all that stuff. So sticking to pretty much core positions. QQQ, JPM are my all-time longs. AIG, haven't been in that one for that long of a time now. Starbucks I've held since December, and Coors is my youngest trade, which I did just a little bit under a month ago. So, and Coors was one that I was starting to watch out for to start taking profits. I'm probably going to start watching this $80 line. I think is going to be where my stop will be. That way I've made a good deal of profits just above $28. So, and all these right here, these numbers are with the commission. So the way Scottrade does this is as soon as you enter your position, it starts off total gain loss at -$7. So, you add my commission in it, then that, so another -7 for this, and I made $21 or something like that, so not that bad. It'll be 3% gain. I'll take it. Hopefully it goes higher. I'm looking to hold it higher throughout the holiday season, but if it starts to go down or whatnot, I'm just going to have to deal with it a little bit. So I just wanted to go and highlight that whole Fannie Mae performance thing, because it can be a little bit confusing, especially the way I said it and the way Scottrade does it. I don't like the way Scottrade does it, so I just wanted to go and do that because it was one of my biggest positions, so I really just wanted to highlight that. Thank you everyone for watching this, for following me on Twitter, for following all the guys in the Leaders Investment Club, and thank you again you will see videos from me here shortly.